tapioca pearl or sago. Add water and wait 30 minutes. It's become soft. Mess or blend it. I would suggest you to blend this with a blender. Add brown sugar mixed water. Add cocoa powder. And mix again. Add coffee for extra flavor, optional. Give a good mix together all ingredients. Add cornstarch or corn flour. Mix together all and make small boba balls. Put into the hot water for 15 minutes, then wash with cold water. Then make a sugar syrup and add bobas. You can use brown sugar or white sugar. And cook for 20 minutes. Your boba tea is ready. Now you can enjoy with your boba tea.